Are you looking for the best camping chairs for outdoor lounging? In this video we will look at some of the best camping chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. ALPS Mountaineering King Kong Chair. This comfortable camping chair option from ALPS Mountaineering stands out most for its rugged durability. The frame is powder-coated steel, while the 600 denier polyester fabric, often used for camping bags and backpacks, makes it highly resistant to tearing. The chair weighs 13 pounds and can hold an impressive 800 pounds of weight, making it a durable and reliable pick for frequent use. To add to its comfort and convenience, each adjustable chair armrest has a cup holder and a side pocket. In addition, a large mesh back pocket helps to maximize storage. A shoulder carry bag makes it easy to transport and store the chair. At number 2, Coleman Portable Camping Quad Chair. Coleman Quad is top of its class when it comes to budget camping chairs. In addition to a classic design, the quad chair boasts comfort, sturdiness, and ample support. The durable steel frame can hold up to 325 pounds and features a roomy cushioned back and seat. This chair weighs around 8 pounds and comes with a convenient carrying bag. A range of features help make lounging more comfortable, including a mesh cup holder, a side pocket for snacks and gadgets, and a built-in cooler pouch. The cooler pouch holds up to 4 cans to keep refreshing drinks within easy reach. At number 3, Cliq Camping Chair. Hikers, campers, and those short on storage space will likely enjoy the Cliq Camping Chair. This portable chair weighs only 3.5 pounds and is hardly larger than a water bottle when folded up. The compact size means this chair is easy to carry just about anywhere, from a camping trip to the beach. Despite its compact folded size, the chair sets up in 5 seconds with a patented click-in-place design. It also doesn't skimp on support, and features a tip-proof base that can support up to 300 pounds. The aircraft-grade aluminium frame and twice-stitched, ripstop nylon fabric helps keep weight down without sacrificing durability. At number 4, Kijaro Dual Lock Portable Camping and Sports Chair. At 9.5 pounds with a 300 pound capacity, this chair from Kijaro is on the heavy side. But it's a sturdy, well-constructed option, boasting a range of nice-to-have features. The arms and seat lock open and shut, with an easy push mechanism, for added back support and stability. The chair is made from durable ripstop polyester which provides a no-sag seat for those who prefer firmer seating. A mesh back helps keep the chair breathable on hot and sunny days. Additional features include 2 mesh cup holders, a handy zip pocket organizer, and a carrying bag and strap to take this durable chair anywhere. At number 5, GCI Outdoor Freestyle Portable Folding Rocking Chair. Bring the soothing comfort of a rocking chair outdoors with the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocking Chair. This portable rocker features a patented spring-action rocking system that lends it a smooth and relaxing rocking motion. Instead of a curved rocker, it features a flat base with a rocking mechanism, which allows it to rock on any outdoor surface. The powder-coated steel frame can handle up to 250 pounds. While the chair weighs a hefty 12.1 pounds, it is easy to collapse with a pull of the EAZ fold tab and can be carried using the built-in handle. Additional features include padded armrests and a built-in drinks holder. At number 6, Coleman Utopia Breeze Beach Chair. Beach days are a breeze with the Coleman Utopia Breeze Beach Chair. This lightweight chair features a 10-inch sitting height that's ideal for stretching legs out in the sand. The low-profile, powder-coated steel frame remains stable, even on slightly uneven sand or surfaces, and supports up to 250 pounds. A full-size backrest and seat offer ample support for hours of comfort. To keep items off the ground, this beach chair features a mesh cup holder and a useful seat back pocket. With its included carrying bag, This 5.3-pound colorful chair is well suited for relaxed beach outings. At number 7, Core Equipment Folding Padded Hard Armchair. Lounge in plush comfort with this padded camping chair from Core Equipment. This supportive chair features a comfortable padded seat and back. The surface is covered with a brushed polyester fabric that is soft to the touch compared to other stiff outdoor fabrics. To add even more comfort, this chair does away with flimsy fabric sling arms, opting for hard, padded arms for extra support. A steel frame makes this chair as durable as it is cozy. The spacious seat can hold up to 300 pounds. Extra features include an oversized cup holder and an organizer pocket to keep items close by. When the outdoor fun is over, fold down the chair and place it in the included carry bag for transport and storage. At number 8, ALPS Mountaineering Escape Camp Chair. This camping chair features a convenient built-in footrest, which is a perfect feature to help create an ultimate lounging chair. To suit all heights and sizes, both the footrest and armrests are adjustable. Plus, the footrest is removable to convert the seat into a standard camping chair. This chair features a powder-coated steel frame that holds up to 225 pounds. A seat, footrest, and full back offer comfortable support, and the polyester fabric is easy to wipe clean. The chair weighs 10 pounds and collapses down to fit in the included shoulder bag. At number 9, Quik Shade Max High Folding Camp Chair. Stay protected on bright and sunny days with this canopy camp chair from Quik Shade. This camping chair features an overhead canopy to bring a shady spot wherever this seat is parked. The angle adjustable sunshade can raise, lower, and tilt from side to side for flexible protection from UV rays. The sunshade sits upon a standard camping chair, which features a sturdy steel frame that supports up to 225 pounds. The supportive seat and full back are made from stain-resistant polyester and includes armrests with dual mesh cup holders and an organizer pouch. When it's time to pack up, use the included nylon carrying strap to transport the folded chair. At number 10, KingCamp Heavy Duty Camping Chair. Set up for a day of outdoor relaxing with the KingCamp Heavy Duty Folding Director Chair. At 14.8 pounds, this wide camping chair is less portable than some other options, but it makes up for it with its heavy-duty frame and host of comfort features. The steel frame supports up to 330 pounds and uses reinforced Oxford cloth to create a wide seat and backrest. Padded armrests add to comfort. On one side of the chair, a built-in, fold-up table with a cup holder provides a spot to place drinks and food. On the other side, a 12-litre capacity insulated cooler bag helps to keep beverages cold.